In this video, I would like to share the things that I absolutely love about this sofa, as well as the things that I wish were different. And before we dive in, I wanted to mention that this sofa was gifted to me. It comes in this very cute terracotta color. On the listing, it says that it is orange, but honestly, it looks more like terracotta. Like, look at the color comparison. To me, it looks almost exact. It is very, very cute. It would make absolutely stunning statement in a home where there are a lot of plants, a lot of greens, because these two colors, they just look so cute together. The lining is very nice to the touch, and what's very nice about it is that it is waterproof. So if you accidentally spill something on the sofa, super easy to clean up the mess. As a texture wise, it is more on the firm side. So if you don't like those couches where you sit down and you just melt into it, this is definitely a good option. It has very firm memory foam, so it is very comfortable. Another very nice thing that I wanted to point out is this extra white armrest. It is very comfortable to lean on it, and you can actually sit down with your laptop, so it gives you good amount of workspace. It is boneless sofa, so there's no any metal parts, there's no any wooden parts or anything like that. So if you have small children, they can jump on it all they want without breaking it, damaging, or anything like that. What I absolutely love about this sofa is that you can position it so many different ways. You can position it like this in an L shape, but if you want to have the little cozy family time where everybody can stretch out their feet, you can move it like this, and there you have it. If you have visitors coming over, you can split it in two sofas and double the sitting area. It is very comfortable to sleep on. My daughter slept on it and she absolutely loved it. Another very nice thing is that if for some reason you need to wash it, all of the pillows, they have a zipper you can take off and throw it in the washing machine. And as you can see, the whole thing is removable as well. We have a zipper that you can take off the cover and wash it. Things to keep in mind, it did arrive in 2 boxes, so little delay between the shipping is totally normal. Mine came 2 days apart, I think. And after you open it, make sure to give it at least 72 hours to breathe, to fully take its shape. Here's how it looked right out of the box, and here's how it looks 5 days later. And now let's talk about the things that I wish were different. First of all, I wanted to point out these zippers. As you can see, the zippers, they are installed upside down, so taking it off takes a lot of effort. So I wish these zippers were installed correctly, so it wouldn't be a struggle to take them off. It is doable, but I don't understand why they would install the zippers upside down, honestly. Another thing that I wish was different, I wish we had some kind of pocket on the side for our remote controls. And lastly, because this is such a firm and good memory foam, it is very heavy, so I wish it broke up into more sections so it would be easier to move it around. Other than that, I think this couch is absolutely amazing. I just love the color. It looks very, very cute, and it is very comfortable. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.